What we have here is the new rollers I just installed. See how quiet they are. And that's the new Genie. And those are the Thunder mounts.